My name is Phillip Aroko. I am an independent candidate in the coming by-election in Kisii constituency. This is the second time we are here at the IBC trying to resolve and have things right for the people and the entire country to uphold what is expected of us. But today, the ruling was being made this morning by the Commission about the complaints that both parties have made, the party ODM and I myself as an independent candidate. So the conclusion is already read to you. I just want to commit myself that I have signed a document, Political Decency and Peace Charter for the political candidates. I just want to state here that myself have been a peaceful man since I started this campaign in 2023. So I still keep it peaceful. I've signed this document bearing in mind that if I do anything that is opposite, the circumstances that will follow may not be favoring. But I don't fear, because I know I'll keep it peaceful as I've been always. I therefore also communicate to my supporters and the entire team of my campaign, the Otete team, that their leader, I will represent them peacefully, like I've always been. That I'll maintain it peaceful and adhere to the code of conduct that is already set here. That we seek this commission to exhaust anything that will give peace for the people of Kisii. That also commits here that the moment the right thing will be done by the commission, by the able commission, the Kisii people will have their choice and peace will prevail going forward. This is a constituency that, as the commissioner has put it, we've had serious issues before. We don't intend to make it further. So I thank you, the media fraternity, to have it right, and let us push the country, starting from Kisii, peacefully. The biggest request for the commission as they are here is that let us have the election in accordance to what will give the best result for the people of Kisii. And we seek for security in all polling stations so that people can make their choices. I thank you so much.